Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix your microphone not working in OBS. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just go right here to your microphone, click on properties, and make sure that you use the right microphone. If that doesn't help, make sure the volume it is on the fully right here. And then if that doesn't work, go to the sounds, and right here where you see recording, what you'll need to do is just go to your microphone and you'll see the green icon that is blinking, and right here if you double click it you can go to the levels and check the levels. So make sure it is at 100%, click apply and OK, and then here at advanced make sure it is on second channel 16-bit 48,000 Hz DVD quality and click OK. And that's pretty much it. That should fix your problem in OBS. Of course, make sure that you don't use any filters right here.